All of these people have something in common. None of them are aware of it yet, but they soon will be. As they go about their daily chores, they have no idea what's about to happen. They have no way of knowing that every one of them will be dead by the end of the day. This is Pompeii. It was filled with normal people living normal lives, children playing, young lovers preparing for marriage. There were good people and bad people here, rich and poor, strong and weak, healthy and infirmed, just as in any other city on the face of the earth. But unlike those other cities, this one is about to be frozen in time. Let's give them a moment of privacy and talk about something else. Whenever someone asks why there are no transitional species in the fossil record, they reveal their ignorance of both the fossil record and evolution. You are a transitional species. I am a transitional species. All life on Earth is transitional. We are evolving not as individuals, but as species. The process occurs ever so slowly, generation to generation. If you watched my transitional species video, you saw a demonstration of just how slowly evolution works. The change is so slight that in 1,000 generations there is no visible indication that any real change has occurred at all. In 10,000 generations you may see a slight change, but you may still not recognize what the difference is. "100,000 generations. Now you're starting to notice the difference, but only if you have a snapshot of what the species looked like at generation 1. The reason scientists know evolution is real is because of snapshots taken at various times throughout the history of this Earth. Images frozen in time waiting for someone to find them and know what they mean. They can calculate from those images what the points in between should look like. Darwin predicted that we should be able to find some of these missing images. He said if we didn't, then the theory of evolution was likely wrong. Evolution isn't wrong. Science regularly discovers never-before-seen snapshots that fill in the holes in the photo gallery of our family tree. Darwin was right. But we will never fill every hole, because there must be a snapshot of a moment for us to know what that moment looked like. And it takes unusual circumstances to create them. Snapshots do not form easily. Some ways they form are by being trapped in mud flows, frozen in ice, or buried beneath volcanic ash. Did they know what was going to happen? Did they know the end was near? When it finally came, it happened so fast, they never had a chance. We know so much about them now, the young and the old, the rich and the poor. They had families, friends, and lovers. There were both good and bad people there, just like in any other city in the world.